Hello, my name is Hart Haymaker, and I will be doing lab report number 5 for Chem 2. This lab report is in titrations for acetic acid in vinegar. I will have the opportunity in this experiment to use a titration technique to determine the concentration of an acetic acid solution. I will also be defining molarity, normality, and weight percent. The main objectives of this experiment are to develop my familiarity with the concepts and techniques of titration, and then also to determine the concentration of an acetic acid solution. For supplies, I have my distilled water. I have some white paper for contrast. I have my toothpicks down here. Also got my scissors here. I've got my 100 milliliter glass beaker, my 50 milliliter plastic beaker, my 25 milliliter graduated cylinder. I've also got a few solutions here. I've got a vinegar. I've also got sodium hydroxide. I've got my test tube holder, my syringe, which I've actually deassembled at the top here. I've taken the top out. I've also got one empty pipette, a cock stop, and some phenol phthalate. Now, what the experiment is asking me to do is to make a quick setup of my materials. I'll be doing that with you. So I need to first put my test tube holder in a book. Attach the cock stop to the syringe. Position that over that. Now I'm going to be using the plastic beaker first because I need to load up my syringe with – 9 to 10 milliliters of my sodium hydroxide solution. Just filling it now. All right. And I'm actually going to go ahead and put my gloves on before I handle any more of the chemicals. What I'm doing right now is I'm letting it drip down to 9 milliliters. that is in order to remove all the, it fills the tip of the titrator. We're doing that right now. Actually, we'll let it go down to about 8. Alright. And for my first measurement, I will go ahead and write in the amount of solution I have in my syringe. Is that 8? And that is where I will end tonight with my video portion of my lab experiment number 3 for Gen Chem 2. Have a good evening.